Today we will study quadratic equation which is for 10th standard, almost all boards. Equation of the type ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a not equal to 0 is called a quadratic equation. Remember, degree of the equation should be 2. Quadratic equation must have a square term, that's why a not equal to 0. There are broadly 3 ways to solve a quadratic equation. Number 1, factorization method by splitting the middle term. For example, let's consider x square plus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. If we split the middle term 5x into two parts, 3x plus 2x, then further we can take the group and take common x bracket x plus 3 plus 2 bracket x plus 3 equal to 0. Then either x plus 3 is equal to 0 and or x plus 2 is equal to 0, which gives us x is equal to minus 3 and x is equal to minus 2. So thus we got two values of x. Now let's go for the second method, which is by using the formula. By using this formula, let's take the above example again, which is x square plus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. Comparing now with the standard form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we get a equals 1, b equals to 5 and c equals to 6. Now applying the formula, we get okay. Now here this formula gives us again two values of x, which on simplification we get as minus 2 and minus 3 again. Now third method, which is by method of completing squares. Again the above example. Now here first we transfer the constant term to the right. Then for making the or getting the square term, we have here first term x square, middle term 5x, and the last or the perfect square term which is missing here in the left hand side. For that we have to make use of a formula which we get by last term equals middle term ka whole square upon 4 into first term. Now substituting middle term in the left hand side, which is 5x square, and here we get 25 upon 4. Now adding 25 upon 4 on both the sides, okay. Now the square root of x square is x and that of 25 upon 4 is 5 upon 2. So we write it as x plus 5 upon 2 whole square. In the right hand side we simplify and by 4. So finally we get x plus 5 by 2s plus minus 1 by 2, which on simplifying give us the same answer as before, x equals minus 2 and x equals minus 3. Thank you.